before I start cutting. Let's take a look at something. We know our depth is this guy. So I've taken a blue Sharpie. It's a good habit to get into. Put the blue Sharpie where you need to mill, and I have traced how thick it needs to be. Now this side, this is going to be a tricky one. That is, ooh, that's a lot of material, isn't it? I don't think we can go that deep. But we're going to get as close as we can without wrecking it. We do not want to be putting a hole through the side of the shell. So that's where we're at. Now the front side, I got to check again, but I'm fairly certain that it's already high enough, because these steps are above the height of this thing, of this like skirt on the side. And I think this one's okay. We'll find out in a little bit. We're going to fix the back one first, and then we're going to check it, and I think we'll be good to go, that we won't need to touch. So now we have made the adjustments that we needed to make. So, as you can see, we still don't have the worm gear installed, so we can still roll it nice and freely. And it rolls freely. Yes, it does. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. But did we make it? Did we get the 15-inch radius? Now, this 15-inch track is getting so beat up, it actually sags in the middle. But did we make it? Now, here's the thing. Did we make it? If we hold it up so it doesn't sag, can we make it? Yes, yes we can. See that again. We made it. So, what we have done then is, let's take a look. What did we do? The most important thing that we had to do, that was the hardest part to do, was this. We had to open the front end just a little bit wider. And we needed to open this just a little bit wider. So when I took out the handrails, they broke apart, of course, because they were super glued. They weren't actually like soldered or anything, they were just super glued on here. So we'll just reposition the front handrail a little bit, and we'll be good to go. But we have now made it. The mystery of the 15-inch radius is completely solved. We shaved half of what we marked in blue, shaved that off. Then we opened the front handrail and the rear. We also opened the rear. Let's see if we can zoom in on that and see what we had to do. On this one in particular, we needed to shave back. Now, I'm going to have to analyze my other ones because I didn't have to do this on any others. Just on this one, which is very, very old, I had to open this just a little bit. Not that much, just a tiny bit. Open it a little bit, and we make the 15-inch. So that's pretty good. We have now made the 15-inch radius, and this thing is ready for its new motor. Look how smooth that is, man. You worked on them trucks. That's what you want. You want it super smooth like that. Because now when we put the motor in there, we know that this thing runs smoothly. We now know it'll make the 15-inch. That means we should consider this thing as it's going to be fully operational shortly. And we didn't have to do a lot. In here, we didn't shave. We shaved like half of what we had marked. So, that means we have a fully functional DD40 that makes the 15-inch. And that is what we want. So that when we use this thing for real, we don't have to worry about shorts and derailments and stuff. going to be good to go.